Since Korea is the divided country, all young, healthy men must join the military and serve compulsorily for 18 months. Therefore, it is common to take a leave of absence after completing the first or second year of college. Ondol, most home heating systems in Korea are underfloor heating, called Ondol. Unlike other countries, Koreans do not use air heating. So Koreans can have a less dry and warmer winter. Convenience store. In Korea, there are 55,800 convenience stores, open 24 hours a day across the country. So it is no exaggeration to say that they are in every alley. You can buy the goods or food you need at any time. There is an ATM, and they also sell emergency first aid medicine. In Korea, citizens over 65 years of age can use public transportation nationwide for free. If you receive a free transportation card, you can use buses and subways for free and unlimited times. Cameras and storage devices called black boxes are installed in most private cars in Korea, and the penetration rate is estimated to be over 90%. The biggest reason is to clarify driver negligence liability. In the event of a traffic accident, high black box penetration rates are showing a downward trend in fatal accident rates.